Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, Jessica Jones Tutorials. I am flipping excited. I know I always say that, but today I'm like exceptionally excited because I have so much to talk to you guys about. I just got back from BeautyCon and it was amazing. I was there for 2 days and I had the hauler pass. BeautyCon is a huge convention where a ton of beauty brands come and they have booths there, and they're like elaborate booths with the coolest like photo opportunities. Check out my Instagram if you want to see some really cool photos. A lot more are coming. And they have huge sales. Some things are like only 15% off, some are like 75% off, and you can get a lot of cool limited edition things at BeautyCon. You can get products that aren't even released yet sometimes. They have the most amazing keynote speakers. For instance, I saw Kim Kardashian, I saw Aunt Manny MUA, I saw Jessica Simpson, I saw Laura Lee Los Angeles. I saw a lot of stuff. Ashley Benson from Pretty Little Liars was there, and I was like this close to her. Like she was like here, and I was like here, and I was like, oh my God. Today, what I'm talking about is this guy right here. It's upside down. The Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So while I was there, they had this available. You could buy it only at BeautyCon. It's now available on their website, but it wasn't available when I was at BeautyCon. So I was like, oh my God, I need to get it. So I waited in line and I got this, and I also got like a brow pencil from them. And this is the unicarton it comes with, by the way. We'll go over this look and how I achieved this look in a second, and a full review and tutorial of this in just a second. But I want to tell you something that they did that was so cool. So when you bought $50 worth of products or more at their booth, you got a ticket to do a ring toss, and it was like the most cool setup. Actually, I'm sure they might have pictures on their Instagram. And every ring toss had like a product, and so if you got like 2 rings, you got 2 products, or 3 rings, you got 3 products. And I was like, there isn't any way I'm gonna make any of these. And I was like, oh, I'll just do it, like whatever, like it's gonna be embarrassing. But I got 2 products. I was so excited. I got 2 of the 3 rings. I was like, okay, cool. And they weren't like small products either. One of them was the Aurora Glow Palette. Hello. The other product was this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. This is the shade Sepia. So I got both of these products for free. I'll be honest, my first thoughts on this palette were like, that packaging again? I mean, is anyone else with me on that? Like, am I the only one? I was like, really? Like, can we do something different besides this packaging? I wanted something a little more fun. And I love the color. Like, I thought that was really different. And I love that it's Norvina's name. It's Anastasia's daughter is Norvina. I'm so sick of this packaging. Like, and when I saw the shades though, I was like, okay, maybe I'll get it. And then it was at BeautyCon, and I was like, yes, I'll take it. 1 please, to go. We're gonna do a full review of this palette, go over the shades in here, go over my thoughts, and yeah, how I achieved this look. So if you wanna see that, keep on watching, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. First, let's start with the packaging. So it looks like this. It's so beautiful, I have to say. Like, this color is just stunning. It's like a cool toned lavender purple. And it's such a cute little thing she says on the back. She says, I have always wanted to create a palette that embodies my spirit. I'm a dreamer at heart and get lost in my own fantasy world daily. It's a whimsical place that leaves you feeling carefree. If I had explained how these colors made me feel, I would say happy. Isn't that cute? I think that's cute. The palette has 14 shades in it total, just like the last couple of palettes that they made. Some of them are duochrome and some of them are foiled. So let's go through them. Dreamer, this one here, is a metallic pink champagne. Base is a matte eggshell. I'm definitely using that as my base. We've got Summer. This is a foiled metallic golden topaz. Soul is a matte colored named Wisteria. I've never heard of that color before. Interesting to try that out. Wild Child, this is a duochrome frosty pink with a magenta shift. That sounds interesting. Incense, this is a matte dusty terracotta. Rose Gold is a metallic rosewood shade. I feel like this is not really rose gold. I feel like that's definitely more maroon in my opinion. Love, this is a matte mid-tone cool pink, and I do agree. It's a more mid-tone, Celestial. This looks so bright in person. This is a duochrome plum with a violet shift. How cool. Volatile, I'm really loving this brown. It's got like almost a purple undertone to it. A matte warm charcoal. Dazzling is a cool tone duochrome bronze with a violet shift. What, really? I don't really see the violet shift. Oh, wait, I do, in the light, okay. Eccentric is a matte dark burnt orange. Drama is a duochrome aubergine with a cool bronze shift. Did I say that right? Aubergine. And then Passion is a matte deep garnet. Okay. So I've already prepped my lids with some foundation. I didn't really put anything over that, but I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm just going to use this brush, the small side, and pack on base over my whole lid just to set the base. Because you know I'm all about that base, no trouble. I'm all about that base, no trouble. I didn't really take it up too high into my brow area, just mainly over my lid and a little bit in my crease area. Next, I'm gonna take Incense and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Now I'm gonna take the shade Volatile and I'm gonna deepen up that crease even more. And I'm going to put this a little bit lower in the crease than what I just packed on. I'm gonna be a little more precise with this one. I'm just using the other side of the Anastasia brush with nothing on it to buff this out and make sure there's no harsh edges. So that is the shade Soul. Oh, I just really think that's so pretty. And then this is the shade Celestial. I'm just loving these purple shades. Okay, Celestial. Are you gonna, okay. Next up, I'm gonna use Soul. And there's just a lot of kickback in this pan, but the shades do seem really buttery, and so far they're applying really nicely. I'm gonna put that on the outside of the eye right here, kind of blending it up into what we just messed with, and just taking it to the middle of my eye. I'm gonna go back in with that Volatile shade and the Incense shade and just make sure that, because it kicked out a lot into my crease. There's a lot of kickback. And I wanna make sure that this stays nice and dark. I'm really loving how this shade Soul is having a moment here. So the only thing I'm gonna do now is go into this shade Dreamer, that metallic pink champagne color, and I'm gonna use a flat brush and put this on the front of the lid and blend it into the Soul shade. Looks so pretty. I really love that. Yay. In fact, I am gonna use Dreamer on my brow bone. And in the inner corner. Stunning. What should I do on the bottom lid? It's hard to decide. I swatched a few more shades. I swatched, this one was Drama, and then this one was Passion, to see what should go on the bottom lid, but I really don't think I want to do any colors different than what I have on. I'm gonna go ahead and just do what I want to do here and not get too crazy with the other shades and use Soul on the bottom of my lid as well. I mean, that's what I want to do, so I'm going to do it. I'm just gonna take this Morphe brush for it. So that's the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and apply liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, lovelies, here is the finished look. What do you guys think? I really love it. Like, I think it's really fun, and I don't normally ever do purple, so I feel like that's like, you know, a little different for me to do something like that, and yeah, I'm kind of feeling myself right now. Overall thoughts on the palette. Do I wish that it had different packaging? Yes, like I said in the beginning, I'm really bored of this packaging. But the color of the packaging I like a lot. I think that's really different. And I think the shades are actually really fun. So if you don't have a bunch of shimmer and purple shades in your repertoire currently, I would definitely recommend you get this palette. This is available right now exclusively on their website for $42. Currently, I'm not wearing any highlighter, and since I won this at the ABH booth at BeautyCon, I'm going to go ahead and use this to highlight. I'm gonna use my handy dandy highlighter brush. And what should I use? Let's see, what does this purple come out to? Oh, that works. Okay, I'm gonna use this Spectra shade, this purpley shade. Oh, I really hope I don't like ruin this look with this. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take that up the temple. Do you guys see that? Whew. I'm into it. I'm gonna put this on my nose. Actually, I'm gonna put the shade Luna on my nose. I don't know if I want purple on my nose. Oh, hold it. I'm gonna put the purple shade on my lip. Oh my God, I'm just gonna put this on my lips. Oh my God, oh my God. Look how pretty. Oh my God, I freaking love that. The lipstick I'm using is what I mentioned earlier. This is shade Sepia by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's one of their liquid lipsticks, and I just popped that highlight shade over it, and I feel like I'm transformed. Like, all right, you guys, what do you think? I wanna know your comments. What do you think about the palette? What do you think about the packaging? Do you agree with me? Do you think it's time for a change? Do you like the shades in here? Do you like the look I created? That is the important question. Let me know all of those things down below. I really love to know you guys' feedback. Also, if you haven't already, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. I post every Tuesday, almost every Tuesday. I may have failed last week, but never mind, almost every Tuesday. And that way, you know, you can catch up to speed with everything that's going on. If Tuesdays just aren't enough for you, you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is down below in the description box. And I also am on Twitter, and I also post mini videos on there and descriptions and all sorts of fun things. I have a lot of photos coming from BeautyCon for that. And I have a ton of BeautyCon haul package unboxing, showing you guys tutorials stuff coming up. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on that. I had to buy an extra suitcase just for all my stuff. Other than that, guys, that's all I had for you today. I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you guys next time.